Hi Japipas, welcome to my channel. How is everyone? If you're new to my channel, hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Amina. Today is everything what I got on sale day. Everything what I got on sale day, and I'm speaking Somali language. So the weather. Thank you for subscribing my channel. It means a lot to me. Today is all about how I shopping and so got on sale day and what I get. Basically, I went crazy. It's from Boots. So what I got Boots is really sale going on. I do not buy the same day when it's a sale. I got the second day or third day or fourth day. Maalintii saddexaad maalinta afraad shanaad ama lampaha more Alex diga sale basically. So maxaan ay tusaya alaabta aan soo gatay. Maxaan soo gatay barfuumkan aan soo gatay. Oh my god, I wish I get the second one. This is how it looks. I wish aan soo gada like lama xabo. Already waa cafiye kuligoodi. Smells amazing, and it was quite expensive, but I got on sale. I got £18 on kusoo halay. Toban £8 on kusoo halay. Alaabta inta waa dhacaya. £18 on kusoo halay, but the smell dhala yaryariis oo ku jira, but the smell is amazing one. So saan u baxmaa toma. Taking it out is like so geedahan amal it's nice like the obalanka obaxaysi dala soo gadale ku shubale barfuunka waa isku buufiye. If you're going out, it's good. This is how it looks, and it smell aad u afaya. Saas u yaala daboolkiisi carafkiisi inaba caadi ma laga hadla karo. So for dala saan u yar oo afar xaba for £18, to be honest, it's worth it. Waa aad u fiicnaya, and carafkiisi markaa go'aayo hadii dhada kaligiis aan soo gada lahaa it will be £80. Dala weyn tahay, but like this 4 sets for £18 is so good, and I'm quite happy I get it. I'm so good. Like I wish I got 2 of them, and it's nice to give a gift. Valentine's Day is coming. If you had a girlfriend, you should go get it. Still sale going on Boots. So £18 for Holly. Then I buy this one for my husband, Nivea, and it's shower cream, oil infused waaye aad u fiicnaya. Maxaan kusoo halay oo ahay £2 and cotton £2.50 for my husband. I got more stuff. This is the only one I bring it out because the rest he already opened it, and I couldn't wait in another share store. So good. Kalaan soo qaatay Boots aan ka soo gatay kan magaciisa daamaro inaan sheego. It will be sounds weird. So maxaa hair and body wire, and pricekiis hore muxuu ahay £8. Aniga maxaa kusoo halay £2 and bar aan kusoo halay, and I just buy it 2 days ago, this one. Okay, then on sale day online I got this one. So I have here the receipt online shopping. So let me just tell you the online. So always when sale marko jiro, I do not just go and rush. So I like to go online and check it like in 2 days, and sometimes we go to shops. I like to order dhamaaday, and then I like in online ka shopping karayso, or I just pick it. Then if they sell, then I get it the stuff I need. maxaa kan dark romantic, so dark and romantic. magaciisaas waay. 8 pound oo ahay. maxaan kusoo haliyay what is it? Yeah, 4 pound ku halay, so I saved 4 pound. So before it was 8 and I saved 4. Let's give it a nice perfume wire. Maxaa lahaay, it's amazing. I already smell it. So good. If you want to give it as a gift for someone, it's good. If you're going to see in-laws, you can take this as a gift. Friends, birthday, why not? So when it's a sale, I need an opportunity gave it. So it's my opportunity, right? So I grabbed so many things. For myself, I didn't buy like clothes and stuff like that, but I buy things it will take me a year. So the second one is body spray collection. Come why? One for a jar. I couldn't wait to share with you guys. So but I spray already one isticmaalay. Kusigana maxuu ahay 7 pound or no 9 pound body spray. No, that is spray. 9 pound or ahay. Sorry, it was 9 pound. And then I got for 4 pound and 50 kusoo halay. So afar xabo ku jira. Jahal xabo waa isticmaalay. So waan sugay. And it's so good. You take a shower and then waa isku buufiyaysaa. Chapipa amal adan chapipa yar, and then you smell amazing, mashallah. So just want to share with you guys what I got on sale day. So then I got David Beckham kana usoo galay xaajigeyga. usigana muxuu ahay, it's a body spray wire, and 7 pound oo ahay. As you guys can see, 7 pound oo ahay. Waxaan kusoo halay 3 pound and 50. Isn't it good? So you can give it as a gift. Your husband, your brother, your father, your brother-in-law, your father-in-law, friends. So how good is that? So I really, really love it. So my husband, he was like, oh, thank you, girl. Next, I got this cream. It calls Pro. I cannot pronounce it. Sorry, guys. And how I can again for hydration, improving hydration, because I have a dry skin. I have the worst dry skin. A dry skin this area, my face, this area, forehead. I have oily, like it oils, but this area is so bad. So I got this one, and I get from this one M&S, and the price, I don't even have the receipt. I believe I got for 3 pound this one, and I don't have the receipt. It was 3 pound, it was cheap, and I got from online. In Boots maxaan kasoo gatay geedkan, and usigana wonderful hand wash and hand lotion. So just keep it in your toilet, and whenever you wash your hands and you use it, how good is that? It was 6 pound or high 2 days ago. No, a couple days ago I got for 1 pound 50 Oriali Boots. So when I asked the lady, it's a 6 pound, so now it's gonna be 2 pound or 3 pound. She was like, no, now we make it more cheaper. So I got for 1 pound 50. How cool is that? Again, Boots maxaa kasoo halay geedkan waa perfume and nail polish waaye, ghost waaye, deep night. This perfume, I opened it, oh my goodness, and it was ghost maxuu ahay, 8 pound oo ahay, 533 aan kusoo halay. Saasoo u yaalaa, fonka saas waaye. Oh, it smells so good. So horta marka laakiin xijaabka but it smells amazing. It's to die for. For £5.33, that is good for the price. And you get this beautiful nail polish so it's purple. I already used it on my finger, and oh my goodness, it's so good. Wow, qatar and you will be smelling so good. Then boots maxaa kasoo gatay English Rose body spray collection. That's how it looks. And kan muxuu ahaa £10 oo ahay sidaa u jeediin. So maxaa ku soo halay English. Where's English? Yeah. So I get for £3.50. £10 for £3.50 girls. How cool is that? Amazing, isn't it? Then boots maxaa kasoo qaatay nail polish kan aan soo gatay sida u jeedin. It was £12.50. I didn't open it yet. I can't wait to use this red and put this. I just can't wait. So kan maxaa kusoo halay £6 oo kusoo halay. I got for £6. So and then you got how many you will get it? 1, 2, 3, 4. Afar xaba ku halaysa for £6 and £12.50 I had before. Then River Island maxaan kasoo gatay boorsadan oo walletka ah. Saas oo yaala. Jeebo badan oo qabaa sida u jeedin. And maxaan kusoo halay isigana ahaan. It was £20, so I got for £10. Then lacagta after today. Halkan ahaan cornska filmaadka iska leedahay kaarashaydan halkan aan ku ridaysaa. So it's nice. It was £20 and I got for £10. So it's good. I love it. So I was looking for a wallet cusub inaan soo gato. There it is. I went Savor. I don't know if you guys know Savor, that shop. Savor maxaan kasoo gatay this perfume aan kasoo gatay, and I get for £4.50 and it used to be £20. So it's really nice. I might give this one as a gift for someone. And this is how it looks. Ooh, this one is good. I'm gonna give it to someone special. It's quite strong. It's like a oud and I'm those women I like خفيف وعرف أو يرى خفيف. I love that. But this one is really strong and heavy wire basically. I don't know if that makes sense. So I will give you this as a gift to someone. But I get it for the sale. If you guys like this video, please thumbs up, subscribe my channel, and comment down below maharatin in the channel. Haddii ku cusub tahay, thank you for subscribing. Please subscribe my channel and channelka ii subscribe garaya please, and comment ii dhaafa, hoos comment igu soo qora and thumbs up isiya.